Welcome back to the channel. If you are working on a vector illustration and find yourself needing to connect separate elements, you have likely struggled with joining paths in Inkscape. In today's video, I am going to show you exactly how to join paths, combine shapes, and use the node tools to create seamless vectors. This is an essential skill for any graphic designer using open source tools. Before we dive into the steps, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you never miss out on these weekly design tutorials. Let us get started. First off, you need to prepare your objects. Grab your selection tool by pressing S on your keyboard and select the paths you want to work with. Remember, if your items are still basic shapes like circles or rectangles, they will not react to path commands. You must convert them first by going to the top menu, selecting Path, and choosing Object to Path, or simply press Ctrl-Shift-C. Now, let us look at the three main ways to connect your paths. The first method is combining. Select your shapes and hit Ctrl-K. This turns them into a single object in the hierarchy. While they act as one, the lines are not physically fused. It's great for applying uniform colors. Next is the union operation. If you have overlapping shapes, select them and press Ctrl+. This merges them into one single silhouette, removing all those messy overlapping lines inside. This is perfect for creating complex logos. Finally, if you need to physically bridge two open line ends, first combine them with Ctrl-K, then switch to the Node tool by pressing N. Drag a box over the two end nodes you intend to join, and then click the Join Selected End Nodes button in the top toolbar. That will snap them together with a new line segment. Keep in mind, if you ever make a mistake, you can use Ctrl-Shift-K to break apart combined paths later. Don't confuse this with grouping, which just keeps objects together visually. Combining actually changes the path data itself. Also, if your shape won't fill with color, check your nodes to ensure your path is a fully closed loop. Mastering these keyboard shortcuts like Ctrl-K for combining and N for node edited will speed up your workflow significantly. I hope this guide makes your vector projects much easier to manage. If this video helped you conquer path editing today, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more Inkscape tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.